Two numbers are there in the ratio 3:4. One of the number is 12. Show that the two possible values for the numbers are 16 and 9. Mr. Sarthak, how should I do this?
So I didn't understand.
Okay.
How can there be two possible values?
Mr. Satya?
Sorry, when I didn't understand that.
Okay, let us try to understand. The question that they are asking is that they have given us two numbers. There would be some two numbers. Now those two numbers are in the ratio of 3:4. Are we okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Now what they are saying is one of the numbers is 12. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
But have they told us which of the number is 12?
No, sir.
So 3 by 4 can be equal to 12 upon x, or 3 upon 4 can be equal to x upon 12. Are we aware which is x or which is 12? Have you understood what I've said?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, is there any doubt?
So, how do you have to figure that it should come up or down?
Sir, in this question you can't, and that is why what Mr. Sarthak said was, how can there be two answers? Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Because you don't know whether the numerator is 12 or the denominator is 12. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
अरे आपको पता नहीं है ना, क्योंकि आपको पता नहीं है इसीलिए तो वो कह रहा है कि दो आंसर्स हैं. दैट इज व्हाट ही इज सेइंग.
Okay, Sunday.
इज देयर एनी डाउट स्टिल?
No doubt, sir.
तो अभी आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे और इजी मेथड से अगर आप सॉल्व करते हैं तो सी 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 into 4 would be, Mr. Sarthak?
16.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, 4 into 3 is 12. Therefore, 3 into 3 would be, Mr. Satya?
9.
So you have two answers. Sarthak, have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
One of the answer is 16. The other answer is Satya, any doubt still?
No doubt, sir.
Sarthak, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
So this is a good question. Usually they don't ask questions like this, but this is a very good question because at the first sight you can get confused. अरे ये कैसे हो गया? कि what are the possible values? दो possible values कैसे possible है? So that is why it's a good question. अच्छा question. Okay. Now the next question is again pretty nice question. Let us try to understand.